100 bantam. Oh, hindi. Pagkasa daw nila yung nagkakasmahin ka, ha?
Ang dami nang nangyari, pati yung mga salita. Tagalog na pero ang daming lingwahe na aking naririnig sa mutsaring mga talaka. Naaalala mo pa paano manahong ganaka? Galit na si nanay dahil laging nadadapa ka. 90% naglalaro doon sa lupa. Siya kapatidero pa magpapilangin ang lupa. Masarap balikan ng mga nakaraan. Alaalang di mabubura sa puso pag isip.
So, ready?
Hoy! Pinakita nyo!
Okay, let's go.
Paring Ed! Paring Ed! Paring Ed! Mamaya, third quarter.
Gonzalez, for two. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Basket for number 11. Deadlock. Isang bola. Black ball.
Tingnan mo! Ba't nandito?
To number 11, sa kanto. For 3, wala. Rebound, Garing. Every foul. First ball foul, number 28, down.
Pre, ba't mga bantam mga referee? Mga referee bantam lahat.
Kita mo naman!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, back-to-back two.
Laban na referee, Terte. Yan ang pinakamaragol.
Ikaw sentro.
Yan ang pinakamaragol ako center.
Pinasa sa number 10. Steal. Makukompleto ba? Number 15. Ay, pinasa sa kalaban. Garing. Pasa. Garcia. Pull up. Wala, malakas. Rebound number 15. Fade away, wala. Garing again. Pass break, round man. Jump shot. Wala. Patigas talaga ang wing. Ini Garing. Garing for two. Black ball. Exactly 6 minutes. Hearing the ball traveling. Gonzalez. Nagtitipon to Garing. Garing crossover. In and out. Spin mode. Tanggal yung tatlong galaw. The steal. Solis. 6 points na to si Solis. Kanya lahat. Five minutes and 2. 24 seconds. We have a foul. Foul number 25. Five minutes and down. Mag-basket, palit na tayo ha. Stage 5. Okay, ready? Number 6. Morgan for 2. Short. Ito ng pasa, nakita masyadong malakas.
Hoy, miss ka ulit!
For 10 seconds to shoot. Bragas for 3. Wala. Patient rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Search for 14. 10. Steal.
Ba't umiscore? Mali. Lucky Raj. Okay. Okay, tol. Eight. 8-6.
All eight. All eight na, no? Let's shoot dito. Let's shoot.
8-7 alam ko. 8-7 tapos dapat na shoot. 10-7.
Then?
Or mali ako.
Okay.
Hindi, alam ko 7 lang.
8-5 eh. Shoot sila.
Naging nag-9 eh. 8 dapat na. Tapos ngayon 10 na. Alam ko 10 na yung lucky. $10-7 or 9-7. Seven, 10. 7. Seven. 10. 10, count 10.
7.
Uy! Nag-play mo isa! Dalawang 2 points! 5 points sa amin! 6 kami naman natin sa 5 yung 5 minutes eh! 6 yung score namin! Hindi kaya nga, sa isang ano kanina, may free throw ko isa! May free throw isa to eh! Tapos 2 points sa sunod!
11. Ilang total na ba dito? 3 points, diba? Last 3 points, diba? Wala. 2 points lang.
Kasi may shot ako isa eh. Sa free throw.
11. Counted pala, Petro. Okay na? Six? Okay. 6 lang?
Hello mga idol. Hello mga idol. Ang nakashoot sa Apple Room is number 11 lang.
Ilang Peter na?
Tatlong shoot ni number 11. So 6 lang si number 11.
6.
Tapos sa Lucky Garage, number 10, 56. Free throw ni number 6. Dalawang 2 points ni number 4. Yung last shot niya. So score natin, official score, 11-6. Ready? 14 second shot clock. Rebound number 37. Number 13, pasa, alley-oop, number 37. Big, isa pa, 2 points. Isa na lang. Tik na 30 seconds. No! 20 seconds, shot clock is off. Uy, alley-oop, number 30, 2 points, change favor. 12 seconds, 10 seconds,
Tama dito.
5 seconds. Traveling. May foul pala. Offensive foul. 1 second. Offensive foul by John Galeha. John Ray Galeha. 1 second. 1 second pa yan. Touch. Di ba yan? 1 second. 1 second pa mga dito, mga uncle. Pagtawangan. Saka tayo magpapalatan ng oras. That's the end of the first quarter. Score 11-12. Music. Back to the ball game.
Grabe talaga. Ball coming! Ball!
Kilala ko yun, nakaka-pilot Number 20. Hoy! Grabe, kilala ko yun, number 28 Famous to, famous sa Facebook. Okay, ito na. Happy Garage. Garing. Power move, 2 points. Change favor, 13-12. Garcia. For 3, wala. Rebound. Ay, kilala ko rin sila. Ayun lang. Kaya, tapon. Number 10. Pass to number 10, Gonzalez. Uy, behind the back. Pass to the ring. Wala. Traveling! Too much steps. Sabi ni Rep Mandap. Traveling din.
Idol ko ba yun, no?
Hindi na nakatake na lang yung ano. Bet ball. Bet ball. Argalus. Pass. Uy, nice deal, Garcia. Deal, Evangelista. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, sliding. Alley-oop sa sarili. Garing ulit. Number 31, Tolosa. Holding foul. Grabe yung power move. May foul. Number 27. block number 25. Full cylinder foul. 2 shots para kay Evangelista. First shot, wala. Second shot, nothing but net. For natin, 14-12. Dado, wala. Garing. Paso Gonzales. Grabe yung tandem. Garing to Gonzales. Kahit saan, ginagawa yan. From Red Bull compound. Para naman ang kaniyan. Still with the loser. Dado, pull-up jumper, 2 points. Paring baseball ba si Gonzales? Hindi na makatalaw si Gonzales. Okay, dun tayo. Wala akong nakahawak. So, same position ba? Dado. Garcia. Dado. Pull-up jumper. Deadlock! 16. Aliu? Wala. Nice deal. Chris. Pass to Tolosa. 2 points. Change favor. Gonzales. Traveling. Meron tayong foul. Traveling ang tawag ni Rep. Merong extra step. Meron tayong foul dyan. Rep. Number 10, Pagadian. Pagadian, first personal foul. Dado, 2 points. Ready nyo na yung second five nyo. Garing, crossover. Pass to Mark Naluz. Garing, pass to Gonzales. Too much strong. Pass to Mark Naluz. Tapon. Sayang. Isa pang possession. Isa pa. Ready, change five. Ready. Garcia. Number 27. Wala. 25. Evangelista pass to Gonzales. 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 Stop and bump. Wala. May iwakan Garcia. Garcia. Ganda ng pass ito Garcia. Wala. Baseball pass. Ganda. Change 5. Score natin 20-18 in favor of Uncle Drew. Norris. Oy, traveling yan. Ibang kita ni Rock. Whitley. Pew, 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 pew. Ito na. John Ray. Steal. Ayan. Tawag na yung ref. Tawag na referee. Yung midget na referee. Asman. Pass to Pareha. Basic yan. Oy! 3 seconds violation.
Upset si ano? John Ray, upset. Upset si John Ray. Tama. Alam mo ah. Number 15, kinaliwa. Rebound. Eric Pogan. The big boss. Rebound pa rin niya. Naipit. Oy, may tawag. Nakita niya. Kahit maikli yung daliri niya, kitang-kita niya. Saka ba makakita? Referee naka-Kobe, ano? Kobe 4. Oh, di ba? Foul number 4. Pushing foul, Aspan. First personal foul. Diba? Second team foul. Ganda ng pasa. Number 15 labas. Number 15. Number 15 fade away. 2 points. Score natin 22-18. Dito lang yan. UBFR. Referee naka-copy ng Kobe 4. Oh. Boss Noli. Pass to Eric. Wala. Rebound number 11. Dire-diretso na. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Grabe. Basket count, foul number 14. Hit to the hand. Bonus free throw. Para kay number 11. Number 14, Lopez. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Basket. 25-18. Lumalayo na. Kailangan na ng reinforcement na Lucky Garage. Rebound Eric. Nasundot. Natabik. Anoli. Meron tayong foul. Foul number 15. Number 15. Number 15, first personal foul, second team foul. Grabe. Nice rep. Grabe yung referee. Grabe. Isang grupo ng mga mosquito. Mosquito referee natin. Number 9. Pass number 11. Oy! Grabe yun. Grabe yun. Purang traveling ah. Oras natin. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Aspan. Aspan. Pass to Chandray. Oy, meron. Foul. Is foul red? Foul number 37. 31, sorry. Pushing foul. Fourteen second shot clock. Jump right for 3. Wala. 45 seconds remaining. 45. Paolo, pass number 9, 2 points. Lumalayo na. 36 seconds remaining. Lumalayo na to. Jump na to. Aspan. Fourteen seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Meron tayong foul. Number 4, Aspan. Aspan, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Oras natin, 16 seconds.
Later you will do it. You will. Later you will do this.
Count natin, Travelers. 8 seconds.
Later Later you will do the cut. I will take photo.
5 seconds!
NBA.
Basket count! Malinaw na malinaw.
Even for
Basket
basketball.
count! Official score!
Other
As
school.
per requested by Mark Daluz, 27-20. Okay, let's back to the ball game.
Ready to...
Ball possession, Lucky Garage. Lucky Garage.
Parang Ed.
Defense mo kayo, Akal Crew. Defense kayo.
Change score na tayo. White ball.
Grabe ka, Tito Paul.
White ball, white ball.
Okay, ready. Okay, start the third quarter. Eric. 2 points. Eh, bilis. Mabilis talaga yan. Lalo na sa... Alam na. Tado, fade away. Wala. Kaping nakuha number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Garcia! 2 points! Score natin 29-20. Shout out Ed Mendoza. Shout out sa'yo. Lagi kang kondisyon. Sana all. Eric Nagamik. Nakakuha. Tumayo. Jump ball. Black ball. Uncle Drew.
This is what your daddy wants.
Uncle Drew. Mamaya.
Inspire the boy. Parang Ed. Ay, Ed. Dali ka? Out?
Still number 7. Still. Ayan na naman. Grabe.
Ay, na to?
Gonzales.
Ay, dali na lang, na.
Rebound. Grabe yung connection na yun. Karing Gonzales connection. Crossover Garcia. Pass to number 11. 2 points. Mark Daluz. Mark Daluz na bitawan. Ayan, number 11. Number 11, pass to number 16. Garcia. Number 20. Grabe ka talaga, Dado. 2 points. 33-22. In favor of Uncle Drew.
Ready, wait.
Oh, meron tayong foul. Foul number 24.
Ay, Kirte, maglaro ka na!
Oh, meron tayong foul. Foul number 7. Number 7. Number 7, that's your first personal foul. 2 shots para kay Eric Morgan. First shot, wala. Second shot. Yun. Basket. 10 points lead by Uncle Drew. 33-23. Time remaining 7 minutes 35 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Number 24. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound number 11. Big. Number 11. Pass to Tado. 2 points. Alam na ni Garcia. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Pinalik number 24. Number 28. Wala. Rebound. Meron tayong foul dyan. May foul dyan. Foul number 24, holding foul. Okay, ready. Number 24, that's your third personal foul.
Grabe yung connection na yun. Karim Gonzalez connection. Easy to point.
Dad!
Ah! Steal! Grabe. Grabe si Karim. Time out! Uncle Drew! Okay. Back to the ball game. Ready nyo na yung second five niya after 2 possession. Okay, same players pa rin yan ha. Walang substitution yan. Walang substitution. Okay, 29-35 in favor of Uncle Drew. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Number 11. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 24 for three. Wala. Eric Mogan. Pass to Karim. Meron tayong foul. Foul number 24. Number 24, that's your fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ready na po, change five.
Daddy!
Grabe yun, Evangelista. Change five.
Daddy!
As per requested, anong score? 35-31, the mark of the loose. Change 5 na. Wala pong time out. Change 5 lang. Ready! Pass to number 9, Danny. Number 9, pass to Chris. Belmonte for free! Baka may puto dyan. Sana all. John Ray, pass to Aspan for 3. Wala. Rebound with John Ray. Pass to Lopez. Aspan to 4. Grabe yun. Parang magkakakampi sila sa Lucky Garage. Still Lopez. John Ray. Grabe yung ikot, sabi niya. Still na yung basa. Paolo pass to Losa, 2 points. 40-33, 7 points lead by Uncle Drew. Yan na naman ni Danny. Danny! Sayang, oy, dalawa silang tulakan. Still, muntik na. Aspan, Aspan, pass to Lopez. 2 points, basic. Pass to Losa. 5 points na lang, 40-35. Paolo, set shot. Rebound, number 0. Belmonte, pass to Tolosa. Pass to Montiveros. Traveling. Nawala yung footwork ni Montiveros. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 56 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Mag-alas dos na po. Canoli. Basic yan, wala. Lopez, Aspan, miscommunication.
Muna itaw, yan, ano po?
Pero magaling ko. Kailangan ko bumas.
Kaya kasi magsalita eh. Dapat magsalita ka. Yung totoo kaya ako na mag-coach na yan.
Foul number 25. That's your third personal foul. 2 shots para kay
Yan, Ray.
4. Asman.
4 na 3 points lang, libre ka na. O 3, sige. Nakisa ka na? Tingnan ko sa record.
Shot is good. Score natin as requested by Mark Maluz, 14-36. 2 for 2 by Asman. Danny, number 9. 14-second shot clock. Belmonte! Foul, Belmonte. Nice left. Foul number 0. Belmonte. Okay. Penalty, rep. Penalty. 2 shots para kay John Ray Kaleha.
Yan, kahit dalawa lang, pwede na.
Kung meron kayong concern, isumbong mo kay John Ray Kaleha.
Ano?
First shot. Mukha nagbuhat ng ano to. Engine to.
O, metong lang, metong.
May garage eh. Oo eh. Yun!
What?
43-38. Grabe oh. Ankle break.
Ninano niya.
Out of balance.
Ninano niya. Nakikit eh.
Offensive foul by number 25. Offensive foul. Number 25, that's your 4th personal foul. Ganda ng pasa. Sayang. Bola na. Ankle Drew. Ankle Drew. Yan yung mag- 1 minute and 2 seconds. Tolosa, wala. Rebound, Paulo. Oh, wala. Out of bounds. Lucky grab. 39 seconds. Meron na yung foul. Foul number 9. Penalty.
Sick. Kailangan mo nagkikita pa mo rin. Parinig ka mo. Sindahan.
Mabalo kaya no. Sasubyahan din ako man niya.
Ibig ang lahat.
Naman yung puta ka rin. Yung pemye dala ng pemye.
Mag-coach ka kasi bante lang man niya.
Mayali. Ilan tayo manyambut. Ibulutan ka naman 3 points. Kunin na.
Second shot.
O, anong lima? 4 mo.
Adam.
Minus 1. 10 second shot lang. Grabe yung ano ulit. 10 second shot lang. Rebound. 3 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter. Score 43-38 in favor of Uncle Drew. Lucky Garage. 59 jump.
Idol! Idol!
Sabi ng mga referee,
Nung nag-highlights ka lang, Idol! Magkamukha na kayo niyan, no?
Bola ka!
okay, ready? Fourth and last quarter. Lucky Garage versus Anton Drew. Score natin 43-30. Evangelista. 14 second shot clock. Gonzales. Evangelista. Wala. Meron tayong foul. So, foul number 26. Eric Morgan. Number 26.
Okay na?
First personal foul. Bait pa.
Okay na?
First team foul. Garage.
Okay na?
Sakit lang.
Garcia.
Okay na.
Ginaganon ko lang. Hindi ko kilala yan.
Tapos lang.
Foul number 28. Dado. Dado, that's your first personal foul. First team foul din. Kyle Apatru. Kareem. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. Garing, 2 points. 46-40. Grabe pag-ibig ng referee natin. Maliliit ang hakbang. Crossover. Garing. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 16, Garcia. Sorry. Kamali nga po. Yan, okay na. Nagalit si Evangelista eh. Tatlo na lang! Paulo! Wala. Rebound ulit ni Paulo. Pass to Garcia. Okay. Galing Gonzales connection. Out of bounds. Okay. Oy, out of bounds yan. Time out. Lucky Garage. Time out. Lucky Garage. Let's back to the ball game. Score natin 48-43. Gonzales. Garing. 14 seconds shot clock. Okay. Jump ball. your first personal foul. Gonzalez. Evangelista Gonzalez. Gonzalez, Evangelista. Evangelista, basic yan. Nakakuha ni Garing. Garing, 2 points. Love 2. Love 2. 2 points lang. Love 2. Kay Garing. Sia! Wala. Save out Garing. Evangelista, pasok mo ka. 2 points. Time out. 1 point lead. Back to the ball game. Grabe, sama ko mga referee na naka-Kobe Corp pa. Ready? Garcia, 2 points. 50, 47, nasulit. Eric! Paulo. Meron tayo. Out of bounds. Foul, meron foul. Foul number 56. Garing. Garing, that's your first personal foul. 2 shots para kay Mendoza. First shot is good. 51-47. Second shot in and out. Garcia. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Wait lang. Unsportsmanlike foul. Foul, Mark Naluz. Substitution ref.
2 minutes.
Mark Naluz will rest. 2 minutes rest for Mr. Mark Naluz. So pasok si Mark Naluz, 2 minutes na lang. First shot ni Garcia, basket. 52-47. Second shot is good. 53-47. Garcia, wala. Rebound. Garing. Meron tayong foul. Foul number 11. Number 11, that's your second personal foul. 30 foul. Sir, yung bola mo, baka mamaya na lang.
Huwag mo na mag-shoot lang.
Thank you. Garing, wala. Rebound, Garcia. Garcia. Basa. Out of bounds. 16 seconds. Shut up. Number 11! Wala! Rebound, Garcia. Fade away. Karim Gonzalez, connection! Dubai! Dami. Garcia. 14-second shot clock. Foul. It's foul rep. Number 10. Number 10. Pushing foul. Sales. First personal foul. First personal foul ng Gonzalez. Garcia! Ohoy! Communication na naman. Traveling answer! Traveling. Go! Good. Meron tayong foul. Foul out. Foul out. It's your first personal foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Shout out. 2 shots para kay Evangelista. First shot. 55-50. Higit lang ang laban. Second shot. Foul number 4. Pushing foul on the spot.
Nasira yung tayo.
That's your third personal foul. Third. Team foul.
Isang game pa yung Go Titans pa next.
3 minutes para sa fourth quarter.
Dito ang logo. Go Titans.
Ano? 2 points. Galing Gonzalez na naman. Gonzalez. Oy! Foul.
Backup shooting.
Foul number 10, Gonzalez. Gonzalez, that's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Lock the rods.
Ando yung kotse niya.
Mula sa Basso Garcia. Still, tignan.
No
10
invite
seconds
na
to shoot, okay, still. Running right, Garing.
Tatanong ako doon paano kagabi.
Garing.
Kasi na kami inom.
Violation, Garing.
Kaya naman sila ako dito kami may mangkok.
Andun ka?
Doon ako lilipat.
Sa mas taas?
Sa may mosque side.
Dun sa ano?
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, brought to you by Nasim Sports Fair.
Nandito yung kotse ni Brett. Nasaan siya?
Still, Gonzalez.
Clark?
Pastos pa! Oy, masyadong pinadali. Sayang.
Ano pa?
14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Same ball.
Busog na naman.
14 seconds shot clock.
May isa pa pala lang parin.
Oo, may Go Titans.
10 seconds shot clock.
Ano kayo man sa live game 4 pa lang tayo.
5.
Si live na timer.
Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 57-50.
Kuha ako nandiyan.
Oo nga, si Balmote din doon. Pasok niyo si Buakaw.
Gonzalez, wala. Out of bounds. 59 seconds.
Dalawang side yung nagtulog. Dalawang side.
Fortis ba?
Next game, ready na. Mamadali yung player dito. Yung Mark na lose. Grabe si Danny. Sayang. Out of bounds. Uncle Drew ball. Magkakape. 37 seconds. 48 to shoot. As per request, 57-50 by Bernard Galus. 10 seconds. Paulo, 2 points. 25 seconds. Aspan, wala. Gonzalez. Morgan. 2 points. 5 seconds. Okay, concede.
Congratulations, Uncle Drew. By score 59-52.
Panalo si Buakaw.
Congratulations!
Basta sa overtime.
Uncle Drew! Score 29